Hello! Today I'm going to unbox something really interesting. That is the Bambu Lab A1 3D printer. Let's see what's inside. There is a manual at the top itself, which is really helpful, and this was already covered. I just opened it. This is the complete items which you get over here, which is A1 base housing, printer frame, spool holder, purge wiper, power cable, PDF tube, and some sample filaments, accessory box where you get almost every single thing required for fixing it. And you also get the build plate where the printing takes place, and the rest of those are unclogging pin tool, Allen key, which is really helpful to fix all the screws, then an important cable organizer, then the heat bed nozzle wiper. If it gets old, you can just replace it with the new one, and the grease and oil, supportive foot pad, and screws, different types of screws required for the assembly. Then this is the frame, and this is the base, and these are the next stages and steps which is involved for the assembly. These are the items inside, and these are the way you have to do the unboxing, and I'll be showing the video how I do the assembly of these the 3D printer, as well as the software setup in the initial stage for the calibration and getting it ready for the printing stage. Let's move to unboxing. Let's open it now. It's a tight. Now I have opened it. The boxing is really good. Can you show this inside? See how it is packed? It's super cushioned and really safe inside. It looks pretty good packing. Okay. So you got this thing. This must be the base, most probably. So in the quick start, they have also given some additional info, how it's done, and you got a lot of stickers. Whichever you want, wherever you want, you can just start sticking it. And also there is free premium model which you can just scan and then take a printout. Wow, this should be nice. Thank you. And it's just disclaimer and warranty leaflet. You have to make sure you carry this, I guess. Okay, so let's take this out now. Before that, I need to untie this one. So let's take this out now. Yo! Oh, we can remove this. This goes to the upper part, and there are some accessories in it. You can see on top, and there is a wire in the other end. So don't just throw it. There will be some accessories inside. Okay. Cut. So they've also given a little sample, I guess, for the Bambu PLA Basics. It's just net weight 20 grams. We usually buy 1 kg of the same. So maybe you can just print a tiny thing. So let's open this one now. Ooh. Oh, the bottom also has something sticked to it. Stiffener, lubricant, and yeah, some kind of 3M stickers and all these here. Whatever. Along with, oh, there's also a micro SD along with it. You can just push it and take it out and push it in to insert it. And this is the back side of it. I'll be checking the manual and I will show you how I fix it. Okay, let's start seeing what all things we got now. We got this power cable, we got this thing, I think, and we got this thing, and we got the sample, then we got these lubricant and all these tools. So this is PLA ABS PETG supportive hot surface where it gets printed, and it's a PEI plate. We also got this thing, so this completes the package. So let's start checking how we can fix these things. Okay. One thing I like the most about this product is they packed it really well. This is just amazing. Okay, so let me tell you what these items are. This is A1 printer frame, and this is A1 base housing. This is a spool holder, and this one is purge wiper, and this is definitely a power cable, and this is a sample filament, and you get the accessory box, then the build plate, which you have already seen, which I have shown it earlier. The first thing what we have to do is we need to remove these 4Z axis limiter. Both screws are out. You just need to just pull it out. That's it. So similarly, you need to open this as well. So I'm just opening it now. So be very careful about the frame. This is everything. And slowly plug it out. That's it. Keep the plate on top of this base. So make sure these holes come in the right side. So this is how it should be, and this go straight here. You see, and the bottom of this plate there is a magnet which will help to boom. That's it. So it is already fixed, and if you want to take it out, you can take out like this. It's just a magnetic attachment. This is really cool. There are a lot of tapes which they have sticked these wires, so be very careful and gentle to remove these, because you don't want to damage the cables. I'll just gently pull this out. Okay, so that's it. So the cable is also ready. There's another place where you find the stickers and as well as the cable which you need to connect. The next thing is we need to place the base inside the frame. See the frame and see the structure, and the back of this base will go towards it at an angle of 45 degrees, and slowly put it in and make sure it fits in. So, and that's it. And next step is just slightly push this towards front and open the y-axis cover. Just pull it out. Take out the screws and put it in these green holes, and it's clearly mentioned like which is what. You need to put the SD23 for base housing, and it's clearly labeled. Similarly, there are different screws for the purge wiper, then this is for the stiffener. So they made it pretty simple to do all the assembly. So all these screws will go in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. Set. I'll just tighten it. So once the screws are inserted, just push this back gently, and you still can find 2 more holes over there, and put the same screw ST23 for the basing. So 1 and 2. Make sure it's tight enough so that there won't be any problem afterwards. Now it's tight. Now gently pull this headbed a little towards front, and you can put the y-axis cover. Just slowly insert it inside. Once you insert it, just push this a little behind so that you can see the front part of it, and gently put this towards front. See, and there's a clip here. You can find a click sound. Oh, done. That's it. Now keep the base up straight like 90 degree, and take the cable box from the A1, and you can see the color coding. The one which we have pulled out the stickers will go to a Z motor, and it's just there are 1, 2, 3, 4, and don't just put it in the other one because the number of pins are different. So the color code yellow will get in. So the yellow goes to yellow, and there's this casing that goes inside. There is a type C cable which will go in like this. Just push it in, and there is a screw which gets tightened along with the base, which you can just plug it like this, screw and tighten it. Oh wait, take these cable through this one so that it will not damage anything. You can slowly put it through this narrow gap. Make sure the wire is not pressed towards the corner of this opening, because the wire will get damaged. So just make sure you gently press it in. Then this goes to the Z motor, and the green goes to the X motor. So I'll just put the X motor first, then goes the Z motor. So that's also done. Slowly I can just squeeze it in. Then goes the camera one here. That's it. So the connection is done, and you need to tighten this by tightening the screw. I just put a tape to secure this inside. So that's it. So the connection is done, and it is all secure. So once everything is done, once it is kept straight, next thing is you can just put the screen towards front. Okay. So the next thing is the purge wiper insertion. This is the purge wiper. You can slide it a little up, and can you see this one, this side? So just try to fix it in, slide it in, that's it. And once it is done, you need to take the purge wiper screw, which is M313, M312. There's only one screw which will go inside and tighten it. That'll go here in the back of the purge wiper. So just use the longer Allen key and then tighten it. Make sure it's tight enough. So the next is spool holder installation. You can find a small clipping side behind. Just open it and see the structure that will come front. So it goes like this. Try to slowly pull this up and click. That's it. So it's tight now. Let's try it out how to fix it in. And this is just a sample which I've got along with it. So if you're using your own, you can place it in like this and connect one part of it to one of these. So let's just try it out with this first. And this is also a PLA. So this is PTFE tube, 600 mm. One end will go to the AMS on top of this. Just press it in, and that's fixed. See, it will not come out. And the other end will go towards this one, and just push it in. That's it. So now it's locked. So if you want to, in case if you want to take it out, just press it, then pull it out. So now just push it in. It's locked, and one end of this will go towards this. And as you can see, it goes through this PTFE tube. It will go inside, and then there is a point it will just touch and stop. Until then you have to do. Okay, the important thing what you have to consider is clipping these two cables together using the organizer, a cable organizer. Otherwise, when you use the printer, the cable may get damaged. Clip one part on one side and you can use the other over here, so that this will be safe. Okay, now the final stage. So we have assembled everything. Now we need to plug it in to turn it on. Let's see. Avoid excessive bending or draggings. Okay, so another thing what we have to make sure is when we keep this on the table, make sure you keep at least a 20 centimeter gap in between the wall and the 3D printer. Otherwise this cable might get damaged, and as well as the 3D printer itself will get damaged. So the plug goes in here as this, and make sure it is off first. Then you plug it. There should be in plenty of space in between front and back, so there should be around 20 cm, around 198 mm behind, as well as around 10 cm in front, so that it has enough space to move around and do the printing. So let's turn it on. Now it's plugged in. I have turned it on. You can see the light blinking in front first, and then it'll start. You can see unleash your creativity. Let's quickly go through the software. Just press the start button and choose a language. Region, North America. Okay, North America. And then you can just connect to the Wi-Fi. It's pretty fast. The Wi-Fi is connected, and use Bambu Handy app to scan and log in. This step enables you to send prints from phones and computers. Wow, that's amazing. So for now, I'll just skip this one. To accept the following documents, you need to agree. Improve experience, join user experience improvement program. I'll skip for now. Then remove screws, which we have already done. That means the Z blocker, there were 4 screws behind, which blocks this one, which we have already removed it earlier. So motor noise cancellation about 7 minutes, vibration compensation 5 minutes, auto bed leveling about 15 minutes. So this one you just need to start. Maybe I'll just place it on the table and do it. So I have placed this 3D printer on my table, and let's do the calibration now. So click on the start button. You can now start seeing it automatically calibrates by itself. Takes about 15 minutes. That's what it's saying in the app. So it just went down and touched the base, and it went up. So now the motor noise cancellation is happening. So it says 7 minutes. Oh wow, so the noise is getting cancelled by itself. Well, that's fantastic. Wow, I'm liking it. Initially there was some noise, and then it started minimizing the noise by itself. And the current test speed is 50 mm per second. This is nice, because that's what it does. See, this is how much it comes front. That's why I said initially you need to keep some space, at least 10 cm front, similar to the 20 cm behind, because it will be moving pretty fast while printing. So initially the speed was 50 mm per second, and it increased to 100 mm, and now it is 150 mm. So they are doing the calibration in increased speed. Now the speed has increased to the maximum, which is 300 millimeter per second. So the next thing is vibration compensation, and that's doing the vibration compensation in different hertz, so that you won't see much vibrations while doing the printing. The current test frequency is around 172 hertz. Now it's around 260. I don't hear much noise now. Just 1 more minute for the vibration compensation. It has reached 500, and now it's going for the x-axis vibration calibration. You can see now it's just vibrating. Don't worry when the display goes off, because I think to save the power it just turns off by itself. You just need to tap and turn it on, because the vibration compensation process is just going on. You can also feel some kind of warm heat around the area. So make sure there is proper ventilation behind. Just open the window or something, which would be great. It's almost done. Now the vibration compensation is done up to 500 Hertz. So let's see what's next. Now the tool head cleaning is done. Nozzle 40° to 170° Celsius. This is tool head cleaning. The nozzle is at 170° Celsius. The calibration is done at different degree, and now you can see the nozzle is at 140 and the bed is going to around 55, and this is auto bed leveling process now. So what it does is the printer sends the bed level by touching the bed surface. They'll just touch everywhere and then sense the surface, and this takes around 14 minutes. Now the calibration is done, it's completed. You can come back to bind printer and set Wi-Fi in settings. So it's time to lubricate Y-axis guide rails. The lubricating oil is included in the accessory box. For lubricating, what you have to do is first turn it off and unplug it, and slightly push it front so that you can open this cover and slowly pull it out. But you have earlier seen how to take it out. Now you need to apply this in both sides, in front and back. Let's start with the front. Gently cut the edge of it and slowly put it towards the corner. The edge of it might be just a plastic, so you need to cut a little bit and apply the lubricant. This side also you need to add. Make sure you evenly spread it, so you can use the other end just to spread it across. Once the lubricant is successfully applied, put this back in. Gently press it in. Just push this little front, and that's done. It went in. Then just clip it back. That's it. Now put back the power cable and turn it on. So it is giving a hint. It's time to lubricate Y-axis guide rails, which we have already done. The lubricating oil is included in the accessory box, so that's done. That's it. So next thing is you can control, do the settings, and have an assistance. Go to settings. You can have an account and log in. AMS option, camera option. You can do the time-lapse fade on mode. I don't know what exactly it is, need to explore. Then print option, auto recovery from step loss, nozzle clumping detection. So there are multiple features. Build plate position, AMS option, read on started AMS filament backup, air printing detection. And you can also change the screen time here, and there are multiple options, either via or you can also try using the Wi-Fi. And the rest is just a factory reset. If you want to sell it to someone, just factory reset it. And the maintenance, calibration, do once in a while. The maintenance mode, this will enable heating even when the hot end is not installed. So I hope this was helpful, and this is the device name, and there is 30 GB SD card here, which you can use for your usage. And as you can see, it's showing none, and once I insert it, it detects pretty quick. Coming back to the controller, you have another options like filament, load, unload, then control option settings. So comment down your creative products in the comment section. Hope you have enjoyed the video and have a fantastic printing time.